हम यात्रा मां गंगा यमुना की पुकार बद्री केदार की श्रृंगार पर मेरी सीधे ग्राउंड जीरो कवरेज। इस वक्त मेरी टीम गंगोत्री धाम के मुख्य परिसर में मौजूद है और शाम की आरती जो होती है, दो आरती मां गंगा की होती है। एक गंगा जी के पास होती है 7:15 बजे और 7:45 पर मुख्य परिसर में होती है सामने की तरफ। और आरती समापन में अभी भी लोग कतार में मां गंगा का जो मुख्य परिसर है वहां पर दर्शन के लिए लगे हुए हैं। कतार में लोग अपनी बारी का इंतजार करते हुए, कुछ फॉरेनर लोग हैं, जरूर उनसे बातचीत करेंगे। वो आरती में सम्मिलित हुई थी, क्या कह रहे हैं जो इस संस्कृति को लेकर के देश विदेश भर प्रदेश भर से जो लोग पहुंचते हैं, क्या है वो। यस प्लीज, व्हाट्स योर गुड नेम एंड व्हिच कंट्री यू आर फ्रॉम?
I'm Soumya, and we are coming from Taiwan. I'm Indian. She's from Taiwan.
So you are appearing the evening worshipping Ganga's
Darshan.
Aarti.
Yes.
So do you know what would you like to tell? How did you feel internally? Can you express your feeling?
I think it's very special because this is the beginning. This is a very important part of Mahabharata, and this is a big part of our culture. So it's very important to be here. Very amazing, and also to see Aarti next to Ganga. So it's
Did you participate in this Aarti which was earlier near Ganga?
yes.
So how was that time you are feeling that Ganga was the blowing as well as? So
Right.
can you express this feeling?
Yes, Ganga is flowing, and the mountains are above us, and the Aarti is happening next to us. So the combination is just amazing.
So can you describe a little bit about the beauty of the natures surrounding of this area? Another hand, the worshipping and all that.
Yes, it's amazing because at the time of the Aarti, the sun is just at the top. You can see the peaks very beautifully, very bright, and then you can see the rest of the mountain, and then the Ganga flowing so powerfully through the Aarti area.
Thank you very much to come over here and
Thank
your
you.
journey. One more lady with him, just she's from Taiwan.
Taiwan.
Taiwan, and what's her good name? What's your good name? Your good name?
Your name.
Renting.
Renting. Please, I have seen you are participating the evening near Ganga Aarti. How did you feel that time? You might have seen the beauty and the nature of that time when there was Aarti. Near Ganga, you are.
Just how did you feel? Just say some words.
It's very special, and then it's the you can see the water rolling very vivid.
Are you coming first time here?
Yes, it's my
First
first
time.
time here.
So
Yeah.
what you listen, what you read about the Ganga, India, such a pious places, what is the did you find that or something different?
It's the mother river of India, so it must have some special meaning, and like you can see the water coming from the mountain, and then many people you can feel the spirit.
Can you express little bit in your own way of the value of the Ganga? So surrounding, so entire world is visiting to here in Ganga, special water of the Ganga.
Maybe
Would you describe little bit
I think we feel that
value of Ganga?
the river.
the-
You say.
for us the river is very amazing because
We
it's
come from
it's a
the-
healing river. So to see it also at at a place where it's very clean and pure and beautiful. is
What would you like? What would message would you like to pass from here?
What message message would you like to give to anyone else?
If you are Indian, you have to come here one time in a life.
Only for Indian, not for others.
Well, other people, if they have chance, they can come with it.
थैंक यू वेरी मच, थैंक यू वेरी मच ज्वाइनिंग ओवर हियर। जस्ट जब मैं जाने का प्रयास कर रहा था, एक विदेशी लोग भी यहाँ पर आकर के भारत की संस्कृति को अपनाते हैं, बहुत तारीफ करते हैं। माँ गंगा की यदि बात करो, दुनिया की 34वें नंबर की नदी है, भारत की राष्ट्रीय नदी है। गंगा का वो जल और इसका जो इसमें बैक्टीरियोफेज होता है, माँ गंगा का जल कभी खराब नहीं होता है। वो तमाम चीज़ों का महत्व में बता रही थी। देखिए, गंगोत्री धाम के मुख्य परिसर से माँ गंगा की महिमा पर देश विदेश प्रदेश भर से लोगों का जो यहाँ पर हुजूम लगा है, उसको बताते हुए दीपक पंत के साथ महेश बहुगुणा, गंगोत्री धाम मुख्य परिसर से, गंगा 24 एक्सप्रेस के लिए।